Bonjour, mis amis. Welcome to French Country Love. My name is Mercy, and today I'm behind the camera. And you can see today is a antique haul video. I think it's almost is antique, maybe from the 30s. This was a lamp, and you can see over here, and was a revival of Louis 14, and you can see it over here with the setups. Very busy pattern, and you can see the glass. You can see over there. I was looking for story behind of these lamps, but I don't get anything in eBay or anyone else. No. And the thing is, I bought them because was like very strange to me when I saw it. I was thinking was a candlestick holder, but my surprise was a lamp. And they have, the bead, crystal beads, but are incomplete. You can see it. I have to buy some in Amazon to complete it, and we are gonna clean it up, and we have to replace with new beads. Okay, well, let's do it. By the way, the store is called the Grasshopper, and you can see over here is in Charlotte, and this was a little bit expensive, and I take it because it's kind of different, and you can see it. I never saw something like this, and I take the chance and buy it, and cost me $51.48. I think it's a great price. Buy two, and it's a vintage. It's not antique yet because it's from the 30s, I think, because of the Prussian glass. But let's see, or maybe from the 50s. I don't know. But yeah. Okay, let's clean it. Let's put the new beads on. Well, let's I take off every old bead because the I don't know that is called. I don't remember now. The I have to put it somewhere. Is not the same. Look at it. It's more smaller, and this is kind of different. Look at it from this one. You see? Oh wow, it's looking great. Look at it. See? Okay, let me check it out. I will do the other one later on, but I want to check it out if I can clean this part with this product. If not, maybe use Brasso. No, it's not working. Maybe in some point do a gold leaf. I think it's better than cleaning it. I will see that. I think it's better doing that way. Yeah, or leave it like that. I think too. It doesn't matter. rather, do it or not do it. With me, it's okay. Gonna rush this. My was to put the beads on. Well, let's continue. Let me take this out from here. Okay, now the candlesticks. The candlestick. I'm gonna use this one. They're gold, and I'm gonna use the stick on. I have some plastic over there, but no, I don't like that. Okay, let's see. The thing is, the hole is bigger than the candlestick. Maybe I will also need some paper at that one point because it's too. Okay, I put a big amount there. Let's see. Okay then. Well, guys, I tried to clean it with this product, Barkeepers, but it was not working. I changed the bit for a new ones, and I put the candlesticks on, and let's decorate the table with it. Well, guys, this is the end of the video. You can see them in place in the table. I hope you like this mini video. Well, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. And you can see over here the candlestick holder. Well, candlestick holder lamp, because if I want to make a lamp of it, I can do it. I have to rewire them and they will look a lamp again. But this is not my plan. My plan is to be like that. Well, you can see them with the new ones, beads. They're so pretty. Well, guys, have a nice weekend. God blessings. A lot of kisses. And take care. See you next week. And remember to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Aviento.